Don't ever use apple cider vinegar if you're on any of the following medications. We can easily say that apple cider vinegar is one of the healthiest foods on the planet. Many people around the world use this powerful ingredient to treat and prevent many health problems. Many people also use apple cider vinegar as a weight loss aid. You should also know that apple cider vinegar is good for your gut bacteria, and helps with digestive issues. Apple cider vinegar is loaded with healthy nutrients and it can provide many health benefits. This means that you should incorporate apple cider vinegar into your healthy diet, immediately. Here's what you need to know about this super healthy ingredient. Health benefits of apple cider vinegar. First, you should know that apple cider vinegar is loaded with acetic acid. A recent study, conducted by a group of researchers in Japan, has discovered that acetic acid may help you control high blood pressure and fat accumulation. Another more recent study conducted by a group of researchers in Europe, has examined the influence of sodium acetate and acetic acid on blood glucose and other biological responses to a mixed meal in healthy subjects. Apple cider vinegar has cancer-fighting properties. A study, conducted by a group of experts in China, has discovered that vegetable and vinegar consumption reduce the risk of esophageal cancer. However, its effectiveness seems specific to certain types of cancers as it can increase the growth of bladder cancer by 4.4x. Apple cider vinegar also works as a powerful disinfectant and bacteria killer. If you need to balance out your external body bacteria, or you have a yeast infection, or you are suffering from athlete's foot, then you should know that a bath with apple cider vinegar can help you with that. You should also know that this powerful ingredient lowers bad cholesterol and it also prevents cardiovascular disease. The medical experts say that apple cider vinegar can help lower your bad LDL cholesterol, because it contains chlorogenic acids that help lower LDL or bad cholesterol, preventing it from accumulating and crystallizing in the bloodstream. This study was only on rodents though, so it's also a good idea to balance a healthy diet to keep low LDL levels. When shouldn't you use apple cider vinegar? Note, you should be very careful. As we mentioned before, apple cider vinegar isn't for everyone, all the time. It does affect bladder cancer patients negatively. It can also impact other people. People who should not use apple cider vinegar include a general all-round warning. Here's what you need to know. You should know that consuming 8 ounces of apple cider vinegar per day, long-term might lead to problems such as low potassium. One person developed osteoporosis after consuming 8 ounces of apple cider vinegar every day for 6 years. Pregnant and breastfeeding mothers. The medical experts say that it's still now known about how apple cider vinegar interacts with the body, and it is definitely better to play it safe than sorry when it comes to the life of the baby inside your body. This means that you shouldn't consume apple cider vinegar if you are pregnant or breastfeeding. Diabetics. You should also know that people with both types of diabetes, but especially type I diabetics, need to watch apple cider vinegar as it can impact and lower your blood sugar. Your blood sugar will have to be monitored far more closely and medications adjusted if you plan to use apple cider vinegar. The experts say that insulin may also lower potassium levels, which means that large amounts of apple cider vinegar might also decrease potassium levels in the body. Taking apple cider vinegar along with insulin might cause potassium levels in the body to be too low. Note, people are taking these drugs, digoxin, lanoxin, chlorothiazide, diaryl, chlorthalidone, tholitone, furosemide, Lasix, hydrochlorothiazide, HCTZ, hydrodiaryl, microzide, should be wary of the combination of the drugs above, which lower potassium levels, and apple cider vinegar, which can also lower potassium. Potassium shortage can cause an increase in side effects from the drugs above. We really hope you find this video helpful and don't forget to share it with your friends and family.